This is Insurance Net Promoter Score Recovery Guidance Agent. Net Promoter Score is often measured after customer dissatisfaction has already become permanent. In insurance operations, the real problem is not lack of feedback, it is delayed recovery action. This demo shows how the Insurance Net Promoter Score Recovery Guidance Agent detects early dissatisfaction signals during live servicing interaction and guides recovery before loyalty is lost. Let me give the prompt here. The agent evaluates negative sentiment, repeat requests, resolution delays, and escalation indicators in real time. For example, these are all the data it is fetching. These interactions show multiple dissatisfaction signal occurring together. The agent classifies them as high risk because customers are already showing frustration, repeat engagement, and delayed resolution patterns. Instead of waiting for survey results, the agent immediately enforces same day recovery actions. Let's try another prompt. The agent identifies pending cases where customer trust is at immediate risk. For example, this this involves claim rejection with negative sentiment, repeat requests, delays, and escalation signals. And I020 shows a similar pattern during claim sentiment settlement interactions. The agent recommends same day resolution because delaying action further increases promoter loss risk. This creates accountability while recovery is still possible. This is not about improving survey reporting. It is about recovering customer trust during the interaction itself. When frontline teams act early, close loops quickly, and intervene before frustration compounds, Net Promoter Score improves naturally as an execution outcome.